Hello, Johnny the Experimenter here, and today I'm going to replace tail lights in my 96 Dodge Dakota. This is what they look like. I've got one out, so I got some LED lights that I'm going to put in here and see how well they work. These are the lights that I've got. They are light up red. They're Brightstars. So I figured I'd put these in here and try it out and see how well they light up, so you guys will know if you want to get these or not. So this is what it looks like before I put the LED light bulbs in. Sorry about the barking dog. Here's everything that was in the package. They give a card thanking you for your purchase. The light bulbs are wrapped in bubble wrap, which is good. And it comes in that Ziploc bag right there. Here's what it looks like with LED and the regular halogen bulb. To me right now there's not much difference, but I'll do it again when it's dark. It took me a minute to get that in there. The wires or something wasn't making good contact, so I had to play with it before I could get that bulb to work. Is that the way all of them are? I don't know. Maybe it's because this is a Dodge, because LEDs and Dodge don't get along very well, but I haven't had any problem with any other ones besides that light right there, so I guess I'll have both of them in tonight, and I'll do another video. Well, I'll keep the one in and I'll do a comparison, and then I'll put the other one in and see what the difference is. So I got the light working. It's a bit brighter. It doesn't really show on here, it doesn't look like, but it's a bit brighter. It's a red light. I went with a red light with these to see how they would work, how they would look. I also got my third brake light working too. The problem I was having with the lights not working properly is because on the inside where the bulb goes was rusted and corroded. So my buddy at work, I was telling him about it, and we took a knife and scraped it off a little bit, and now they're working fine. But I'm probably going to clean it out a little better to see if I can get a little better connection. But I will put the other one in and I will show you with both of them in. Right now the LED's on the right and the halogens on the left, and the halogens are in the third brake light as well. Here's what it looks like with both of them in. There's that dog again. As you can tell, the third's not nearly as bright as the other two. Before I get ready to post this video, and before I leave work, I noticed I don't have tail lights. I've got parking lights, but no tail lights. As you can see, it's not on. I've got license plate lights, so I'm going to tear into this and see what I can find. So this is what they look like out of the lens. As you can tell, they're putting off quite a bit of light. It hurts my eyes to look at them. It's lighting up all the ground below it. As you can tell, I got it going again. I really don't think it's the light. I think it's more my connections because they're kind of corroded. Now, I do want to mention I did have brake lights on the way home, but just no tail lights. So like I said, I think it's more the connection, not the company that makes the light. But I just wanted to throw that in there just for you guys to know, so you can see I'm trying to give the best review that I'm giving. Thanks again for watching. So conclusion to this video is they're really good headlights or brake lights. They're bright. They look really good, I think, so I would buy them. I mean, I bought those, but I wouldn't be afraid to buy them again if they was to go out. So if you have any suggestions on things you would like to see, leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, tell me what you liked about it. If you didn't, tell me what you didn't like about it. I'll leave the description. I'll leave the lights in the description below. So that way, if you want to try them out, go ahead. I'm not affiliated with them or nothing. I just wanted some LED lights, so I bought those to try them out because they look like they'd be really bright. Have any questions, feel free to ask. If you like to share this, that'd be fine. If you know people that would like to see this or was thinking about LED brake lights or anything like that. Thanks again. Until the next video. It's getting warmer, so I probably will be coming out with more videos now. We just had like a foot of snow, so till next time.